Good morning everyone. So it is officially move-in day. Today we are going to Flamingo Crossings. It's very humid this morning, so my camera keeps steaming up, but we're gonna go for breakfast and then yeah, just follow me along for move-in day. I think it's gonna be quite a chaotic day, but yeah, we'll see what happens. We officially made it to Flamingo Crossings and it is very hot, very wet, everyone's sweating. Carrie Ann's got a fan. But hopefully we get to check in soon. Everyone is absolutely boiling. It's so hot! Officially made it to my room and now we're going to do some onboarding, but this is what we've got. We just moved into my 4x2 apartment. I think I'm the last person in here, so here I am. It's been one hell of a day. It is getting very late and I haven't vlogged much of this afternoon, but I'm gonna sit down at some point and tell you all about it. But yeah. Good morning everyone and welcome to my Flamingo oh my god, my voice. My Flamingo Crossings room. So I'm not going to talk really loud because it's quite early in the morning. Yesterday I officially moved in. It was a very busy day and I sort of did clips here and there, but it's kind of hard to because I don't know what I'm allowed to show because obviously this is down the work side of things. This is like behind the scenes and everything like that. I got my granola this morning. I went for a little Target shop. I guess I can sort of give you a rundown of the sorts of things that I bought. Let me grab my little receipt here. So I also went to Five Below. I'll show you the room tour a little bit because I actually managed to finish it all last night and this morning because I just can't live in a mess. So I was very determined to get it done, and also now that it's done I can just like relax. So that is a good thing. And so this is my really long Target shop. It came to $170, but that is for all of my essentials and things that I need to get sorted. I also bought a filter water bottle because my stomach does not do well with fluoridium water, so I got that as well. And I also bought a kettle because I brought tea with me and I guess I could technically boil it in like the microwave or something, but that is like sacrilegious to UK people, so I'm not gonna do that. So I bought a kettle, but it was only like $15 or something. But I've got like Cheerios, pasta, milk and cheese and yogurt, and my granola for breakfast. I bought some wraps for lunchtime, and just like bits and bobs that I need, like a lunchbox and little bits and bobs. And so hopefully my shop is not gonna come to this much every time because I bought lots of stuff that can last for months and stuff that doesn't go out of date until literally next year. So things like cereal, granola. I got my favourite Welch's fruit snacks, which I had in Canada before, and they're my absolute favourites. So we did a really big shop and I managed to put that all away. So I wanted to kind of go around and film things yesterday, and I did, so I'll sort of like insert little clips throughout this video showing you sort of what we got up to. A very long day. I was out of Pop Century at like 8, yeah, like just before 8 o'clock in the morning, and then I finally came back to my room last night at about 8 o'clock at night. So it was kind of like a 12-hour day, but they decided to put us right out in the sun, so I was sweating my tits off, which I'm sure you'll see some clips of. I'll probably insert them right here. There you go. It was very hot. So we did that, checked in, we had to scan a QR code and stuff, and then we went into the first room where they basically just gave us a rundown of living at Flamingo Crossing Village and how all of that goes, all the rules, what you're not allowed to do, what you're allowed to do, blah 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 blah. We also got our keys, and I am living in the dock section, and I officially have my little Flamingo Crossing lanyard, so this is what gets you sort of in and out. Except the key card, because it is a gated community. So this is my little lanyard, little pass, and yeah, there you go. So let me show you. We also got these buttons, the I'm celebrating my Disney program buttons, which is very, very cute. And yeah, I kept seeing these before I went on my program, and I was like, I need one of those. So we got a Disney programs button. This is really special. I love this. Then after that, we got our room assignment, so I found out where I am. I'm not going to tell you the building or anything like that, but I'm in my 4x2 room, which I will give you a little, maybe like initial tour of. I might do an official tour video, but I'll just sort of do a quick glance around, and then maybe in the future I'll do an actual tour video, if that makes sense. I moved into here. I just put my cases in here and then left to go and do the rest of the process. So you have to go to, I can't remember what the appointment's called. There's an appointment where you have to sort out a few documents. So you bring like your passport, you have to, oh, it's an I-9 appointment. I don't know what it is. I guess it's like a work thing that you need to work in the US, but you have to fill in a load of details. I think you get your social security number, things like that. I had to wait for a very long time, but by the time I got to the front of the queue, the lady, we were talking about football, we were talking about the Euros, and if anyone knows me, I am not a football person at all, but I was, you know, playing along, because you know, I feel like everyone thinks that the English are just football loving people, so that was interesting. And there were two lines, and the second line, people were taking a very long time to get through it. I think it was like half an hour or something to get through the second line, but I guess she was typing away during our chat, and at the end of it she was like, oh, you're gonna get the red carpet treatment because you don't have to go to the other line because I've done it all right here. And that was 10 out of 10. Love that. I went back to my room. I tried to organize a little bit. I think I was here for less than an hour and I didn't really get much done. I maybe unpacked a few things, but I didn't realize the volume of how much stuff I brought with me. You'll soon see when I show you what the actual apartment looks like my room looks like, because there's stuff everywhere. But I just can't live in a plain room. At my house, I've got art plastered all over the walls because that is just what I love. I love art. Of course, I've got to have art all over the walls. But anyway, I didn't manage to finish everything because we went off to the buses. So I rode the Flamingo buses for the first time, and we went to the Super Target. So I actually went to the small Target as well, which is across the way in the Flamingo Crossings complex afterwards, and that is much smaller. The Super Target is definitely the one to go to if you want to get like a big shop, because it's got everything, and I managed to get loads of like Target branded stuff, so it was super cheap in comparison to the branded stuff, which maybe you might get in the other Target if it's more expensive. So I got my breakfast stuff, my lunch stuff. As I said, I picked up this water bottle, which is a Brita one. I put a sticker on it because some of the girls got the same one, but this is one from Five Below. Like, why do they make such good stuff here? That is so cute. It's given summer camp vibes, and if anyone knows me, I used to work at summer camps a lot, so yeah, it's really cute. So that's gonna come with me because it has a little filter in it. Yeah, and as I say, Floridian water does not agree with me, so having a water bottle. We also got a Starbucks, and you can put the Starbucks in the little trolleys, or the shopping carts, I guess, which is very different to the UK because they don't really want you eating and drinking around the shops. But we went in the Starbucks, put the Starbucks in the trolley, and we're just going around. It was me, Savannah and Rachel. So those are two girls who were working in merchandise in the UK path, although most of the people who came out with me are in merchandise and I'm in food and bev, but I've just made such good friends with those girls already. So if you're watching, because I know that some of you guys have been, yeah, I've had a really fantastic few days with them, and it makes me really excited to hang out in the parks with them as well. That was that. I mean, it started raining. I'll post a clip here. Of the rain, and we had to run to the bus, and yeah, I would recommend getting some sort of trolley. I think I might have to invest in one because carrying all those bags is a task. And also they don't really sell big reusable bags in Target. They have these baby ones, which I did buy because they're a bit stronger than the little bags, but they love to just give you like 1,000 plastic bags. It's very different because like we obviously have to pay for bags, but here it's just take as many as you want. Just take 100 bags. It's fine, they don't care. Then when I got back, we had the making the most of your program class, and that basically just told us about like how to access the buses, what opportunities are available, so like classes and stuff. How to just go to the parks, like how you get the buses to the parks, which bus stops you go to, what the benefits are, and yeah, it was just a really great way to summarize all the benefits and the perks of the program, and also just how to access those perks as well. So we had to put all our grocery shopping at the back of the class because Florida traffic at, I guess it was like just before 4 p.m. was quite busy. So it took us a while to get back, more than we expected. So we didn't quite make it back to the rooms, but they were quite good and they let us put the grocery shopping in the back. And as everyone was walking out, they were just staring at my granola, they were staring at my wraps, they were wondering why the heck is someone's grocery shopping back there. One French guy, I think, pretended to steal it, and I was like, nope, and I swooped in. I was like, that is mine. But yeah, it was all okay. After that as well, we went to Wendy's. So Wendy's is across the way in the Flamingo Crossings area, and yeah, we went to Wendy's, and also Five Below, where I got this beautiful tiger rug. And I won't lie to you guys, a lot of the stuff that I've bought, including food, including decor, whatever, is stuff that I have previously looked online and seen, because I went and did like a little window shop on the internet of things I might want to buy. This tiger rug was one of them because I looked at the Five Below website and I was like, and because it's Five Below, it was only like $5 or $6 or whatever. With that, I came home and unpacked as much as I could. I met one of my roommates and she was very lovely, and I can't wait to meet the other two as well. Apparently we are in an apartment of 2 Americans, 1 French person, and me, the British person. So I'm very excited to meet them. I don't know how much longer they are actually here for, so I'll have to speak to them in the next few days, but yeah, everyone seems super duper nice, and I just love the vibe of Flamingo Crossings. It is literally a beautiful place to live, and yeah, this room is perfect. So let me give you a little look around, and then I guess that will be the end of this little mini moving in vlog. Apologies that I couldn't film too much, but yeah, I just wanted to go through and tell you what happened. But yeah, I did take a few clips, so I will try and post them throughout this video, but there are more interesting ones soon, because on the day that I'm filming this, it's actually the day after we're actually going to Universal Studios and I'm getting my Universal annual pass, so that will be coming very, very soon. But yeah, I wanted to post the move-in vlog because yeah, it's been a day. I can do a little bit of a mini room tour. I want to do an actual room tour because I might actually get more things together and I might collect some things while I'm working at Disney. But this is where I'm at after unpacking my bags, essentially. You can sort of see in the background all the cute things I brought with me. But yeah, here is a little look. You've got my Wicker Man jacket from Alton Towers, which I'll probably not wear until like January, and Stitch. This is a little bit area where I'm hanging my lanyard right here, and this is another lanyard as well. And some more posters. I moved this from under the bed just to be a bit of a side table sort of thing because I have that much crap. We have Dale here, my rain poncho, which is going to be a blessing today, and also that's what Hannah got me. It is a booklet that you can fill in about your program and you can take it home, and it can just be a little memory, which I think I showed you guys before. There's these 2 drawers, which I think I've just filled with just random crap, to be honest. Yeah. These are just anything that doesn't really go anywhere. We got those disinfectant wipes. I got some Febreze because I love a fresh smelling room, so there's that. You also get the side table, but you can also like pull it so it goes over your bed. But I've got my little campfire light, which I brought with me, which actually was such a good idea. My Switch, my water bottle, my Stitch, and a little basket where I'm probably gonna put my name badge as well, and just sunglasses, receipts, just bits and bobs that are just loose articles that could probably just get really messy. And then my bed, we have my hoodie, which actually I wore last night because these apartments can get pretty cold. but also because it's just cozy and I like cozy things. And then this is the bedding that I brought from home and the blanket I brought from home, and I brought a couple of plushies as well because again I just like my home comforts. I'm a very homey gal, and this is a peek at all of the pictures I've put on my wall. These are all ones I brought with me. It's looking very nice. And again, this is what Hannah got me. It's just so sweet. And all my Turning Red merch because I am a fan. And yeah, I put my lounge flies up. I only got 2, but I think that's probably where I'll keep it at because they're so nice, those 2. And oh, this is what Nina gave us. Nina's one of the German participants who's coming at the same time. She got us a bunch of magazines, oh no, not magazines, comics from Germany, which are like old school Mickey Mouse ones. Obviously this is Scrooge McDuck, but it's so cool. I'll have to actually have a look at it. But yeah, that's such a cool little gift. I've got my Dale, my little charging station. I've tried to unpack as best as I can. So I've got a few of my t-shirts up here, and also I have a laundry hamper as well, just in there. That's one that I brought with me. Top tip, that's probably a really good thing to bring because it's just got a lot of my mess out the way. I definitely need to get an iron because everything is looking a little bit creased from the travel. But yeah, that is a sneak peek because I feel like more things are gonna happen.